Good evening, good afternoon, good night, wherever you guys are. I am. It's definitely not early. 9:22 p.m. on a Tuesday. I have here got the party pack #1 car. Well, you guys seen that the old party pack car, which was the old taxi of Elliot's. Yeah, look, it was definitely a whole lot quicker and easier to buy another car, put the stuff into that. So Bailey has basically exchanged to get the old taxi and this to put the stuff in that basically Bailey didn't want to put in. So that being said, we've got the big transmission cooler right here, and which was a new one. He's gone with, you see that, the slightly smaller one for the power steering, so reused from the old car. Done trans filter. Actually, this car's been quite looked after. It's got like 300,000 Ks on it, but it's well, he's painted the front and buffed it, I think. And if he hasn't buffed it, damn swell me, boys. That is a damn tidy car then, because inside, bright copy there. However, it does smell like cigarette smoke. So anyway, but in saying that, it is damn super tidy. We've got the surge tank to put in the back as well. Got some of the braided lines. I don't know if he wants me to put the hydro in, but it's in the boot. I actually have to find out if I'm doing that. Yes, so it's in for that. It also, at the moment, it's off because I was putting on obviously the coolers, but he also has a JZX 100 chaser bumper on it as well. So his one is in much better condition than mine was to start with. For one, if you're not familiar, mine has basically that section there cut out and has had a whole year less of being on front of a Falcon Beta. So yes, I do know he got us for a still pretty good price considering how much you buy a lip for, so that's not too bad. So they're only going to be going up, sorry guys, but it's going on. We've got the grill to put back on. I've got to weld the diff because it's still got an open diff in it. So honestly, he's paint matched the front. It honestly, I'll show you in a sec, but it actually looks sick. So you're gonna laugh. So obviously last week I was telling you guys how I was gonna do my exhaust. Well, it's gonna now go out here. Yep, basically this little thing, so that was obviously like a date. And look, I might finish it, I don't know, but at this point in time I'm a little bit tired. There's a bit of family things going on, so I'm a little bit tired in general, and the amount of things that I need to do, I don't really have any free weekends. Basically up until Archie closes, it is just full on because I have stuff both at the shop, both at home, both track wise, to get to as many Archies as I can. Plus got guys coming from the States, so a whole heap. Plus we've got events where I'm taking Dazza on, and we have events coming up where we're taking Sens as well. And on top of that, we're getting Nick's 33 sorted as well. So it's just all damn happening, and not really much. And on top of it, my neighbour wants me to help with his clutch. So, and yeah, so I've got to do that. All right, with the well, that's where that's at. That's what's happened. We've got to weld one more thing, but
that's not that important.
We've got a big YouTube guy's car in, and just sussing it out, and
this one nice.
This is definitely what he was steering on the whole event. Look, I see nothing wrong with it because it's got air in it, so it's fine.
Ain't nothing wrong.
Bit understeery.
Oh, dude, it was so weird putting it on. Like, the weirdest thing was putting it on the trailer because, like, I just couldn't really feel where the front wheels were at. It like, kept pushing it forward. This one, trailer wheel, plenty of tread, man.
Yeah, I got the trailer.
Also just a 16, so it wanted Dynasty anyway. Yeah, it was like
Nice grip.
on the trailer.
Yeah, so we've got this into
Do some hell ads on
there's a leak going on here which keeps creating a fire, then there is a fire coming from here because
it's no problem.
because this cracked exhaust.
Zorbist Ignite
1999 big fireball happened in 1999. And anyway, so yeah, this
Oh,
well, this just
let me get it down.
this
One.
bloody ruined my door. 1999.
1999. Before the volcanic eruption.
Before the volcanic eruption, 1999. Big scratch, 1999. Oh, we've got like matching steerers, bro.
Bev, I know, this one was the good one. And then your trailer happened.
Tall. Matching wheels. Oosh. I love how we have these wheels and we're just ruining them.
Yeah, look.
Like, we don't really like it, but we just convince ourselves that we love it, so it's not as upsetting.
I don't really give a fuck, to be honest. They're wheels, bro. They're circular things that make car go fucking straight line or side.
Wait, you have wheels that stay circular? Because I've got ones that don't.
Ah.
I have some ones there that are mostly round and then just flat.
Look at this one.
We're gonna run it.
You break your own door. Learn to drive, idiot. Break my boot, okay. And then you knock me Zorbis off. Make me straighten up. Almost kill us. Rip me fuel flap off. And now, this one.
It's been raining into it.
It's a fall off.
Oh.
Yes.
See, now it's too low. It's like a hydraulics, and you raise it up, and it's fine, legal height.
Yeah, cops are like, yeah, nah, not 100 mil. And I'm like, listening, idiot, stupid sandwich.
When they're like, mate, your rear end's not secured. Officer, these straps are low rated.
Are you trying to tell me the ratchet strap that goes across my fuel tank to hold my Zorbist up is not f***ing roadworthy? Dog!
Thanks.
No problema.
I don't know where to end. I don't actually generally know where to end this, but I'm not too good with the whole spitting thing. Alright, so I actually have the car on the trailer. I'll show you guys while we're at the track, but basically we've got a bunch of things done. It's getting driven, so I'll show kind of what we finished, and that'll be that. But we've got the car ready, it's heading out, so the next video will be, well, hopefully, the boys from Texas. I hope I got it right. Maybe they don't even come from Texas, but I'm pretty sure they are. So I guess I'll fully find out once we're there, because we're heading to the track and they've come here with like very little communication. We somehow pull it off with very little communication. So yeah, so the car's ready. It's on the trailer. It's on the back. It's on backwards because it's too wide to go on forwards with the wheel spaces, and I did not feel like taking the wheel spaces off, because that means I need to put them back on. That means I need to pull them back off. No, I just don't want to do that. So I put on backwards. It seems to be alright. I'm getting a few looks. A few people thinking, what the heck, man, your car's on backwards. But it's all good, man. So yes, we'll head there, we'll check it out. Alrighty, so we're here. This is how I put it on the trailer. Had some weird looks. But this is how what I end up doing underneath. Poppy little thing. Oh, look at that. Jacks the car up. Speaking of Jack, got a Jack here.
How are we, mate?
I'm alright. I'm alright. Alright, so we're definitely back at the shops. You'll find, I guess you guys will find out because the video will be after this. But something happened. Can't show you the great lengths what happened, but things happened. Car, apart from the car dirty, the back end's okay. That's fine. But we've got some stuff in the shop. So what we actually have going on in the shop, my little lighting, is we've got Yeesh. It's a Nissan. Got a Nissan 240 in here. For our American viewers. Here in Australia, we call them 180SX because they effectively come with, well, a 1.8 litre. Obviously in the States, they come with the KA, so 2.4. So, but this one has SR20. Is it SR20 original? No, so it's actually was a CA det. So I've got this in one of the boys. We've got a nice juicy 3076 to go on, brand new Garrett thing. He's actually yeah, there's some cool bits. Haltech going in. This Bov. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That's wastegate. So it'll be plumbed for atmosphere for safety. Then we've got to fix this. This is not good. This one not good. It goes in and out. That's not good. I was like, you come on boost and boost come out the side, so not ideal. So we got this. So you'll be seeing this in the next couple of weeks. We've got a bit to do to it. We've got some Kiwamis to go on. There's a lot to tidy up. Unfortunately, this car was stolen and then recovered. But what was stolen was actually the fuel system, the turbs, the manifold. I think they tried to steal the coilovers because that's not how it's meant to be. And a few other things going on, like there's some damage on the door. So unfortunately, yes, some thieving dogs got this car, and I mean, at least it was kind of recovered, so the original guy, you know, could at least sell it somewhat. But things like this, but I don't know. I think they should bring back the thing and cut people's hands off for stealing, because at least we would know who's been a thief. I mean, that's my personal opinion about that. But yes, so that'll be happening along. Hopefully this shard bus of Jesse's will be going soon as well, because I want that out of here too. So yes, so that's all happening along. Funny enough, the engine for the drift car still haven't started that. That's too much other things going on. So, and then this weekend we will be at Rally Raceway doing round 1 of, we're actually competing in the Pro-Am, and so I'll be doing that. It's going to be interesting. Might upset a few people, but Sheb, I'm there to drift, so that's what we're there to do. And I can't do Pro because they changed the rules. So I can't take the auto car in Pro, so that's why I'm doing Pro-Am. So we'll be down there for the round 1 of the Road Drift Series. We're only doing round 1 at this point. I'm planning to do round 3 as well. I won't be there for round 2 because we'll be doing another event. But yes, so if you're in the Coffs area, pop down. I don't even know if we're bringing merch stuff or anything like that. We're just going down and drive, just kind of relax on weekends. So, but pop down, say hi, support your local events down there if you're down that area or not too far away. Yep, we've got to keep drifting going. So anyway, hope you guys had a great week. We will see you, well, the next few days, because we've got a bit of a treat going with some boys from Texas. Yeah, you'll be able to see them basically ruin our cars. Catch you soon.